You gotta love it. I had a light bulb moment this week, and who doesn't love that? I spent a little bit more time in the digital version of Maury's book, and true to form, he is very passionate about knowledge sharing. And really, he's given us a platform in the digital version of the book to collaborate, to be able to go in, submit comments, submit questions, and share as a community, which I think is fantastic because as we continue to grow, we're going to need each other to do that. So he's kind of fostered a culture for that already. Also, when I was clicking around in there, I found this readiness assessment to gauge kind of where you are with legal data analytics. I have not taken it yet. I plan on taking it. So say a little bit of a prayer for me. But anyway, that is also something that's available to you that I didn't know about before. So let's get back to the content. Today, I'm going to be focusing on in-house resources and performance management. So in my mind, the legal industry as a whole, attorneys, paralegals, legal secretaries, litigation support, you name the role, we're all very reactive instead of proactive. And that's not a slam. It's just the nature of the business with deadlines coming at us and windfall matters dropping out of the sky. But what I appreciate is that when we do have a down moment, Maury has given us the tools to come in here and be proactive and get ahead of it. So in this section, the tools are really, let me just read this one section to you. Optimizing the performance and efficiency of in-house legal resources is the key to identifying how to support your team and enhance productivity. Okay, who doesn't want that? But he also gives you the parameters designed to assess and evaluate the contribution and effectiveness of the internal teams. And then on top of that, gives you some benchmarks. So let's say, for example, you're an organization that's highly acquisitional. Well, your results are going to be fluctuated a little bit versus an organization that isn't highly acquisitional and doesn't have maybe turnover or new team members coming in and things like that. So in this section, there are 11 different ways for you to take in the data, receive that data, reveal your findings, and then make whatever necessary adjustments you need to based on different indicators that he gives you to think about. And of course, then you have your variety of ways to present that to your team and all the different graphs and pie charts and everything where he shows you how you can demonstrate the trends. So if you're coming to Legal Week, we've talked about this before, I'm going to get you a copy of this book. So there's a link in the comments. Come by the booth on January 30th at 4:00, maybe have a cocktail with us and pick up your copy. And then next week, we're going to talk about law firm and vendor management. Super hot topic. This is packed with great content. I've already started digging into it and have some things that I want to share with you next week. So there's that. And then I just can't let this go since I'm kind of grieving today. But for those of you that know what I'm talking about, roll tide. All right. I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.